Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. So one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, guys, Gemini. So if you have any doubts or if you want answers for some questions you have in your mind about your circumstances, you can watch that reading. So that may give you answers or clear your doubts, guys, in your situation, Gemini. So first, let's start with these cards here. So we have Lease, Bear and Man. So Gemini, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really in a good place today, guys. Maybe you are in a good position in life. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager. You have achieved certain things for yourself and you are someone responsible, loving and caring person. And you have people with you, you have friends and family with you, and you are in good terms with them. And maybe for some of you, there is someone close to you, really close to you. You love this person and you respect them a lot. And maybe this person is suggesting you certain things. Maybe they are giving you some ideas regarding some decisions in your work, or it may be some ideas for your relationship. So this person may or may not like this person you love. So they are giving you some advice on their own and it is really difficult for you to follow, but you respect them, you care for this person and you don't want to hurt them by not listening to their advice. So you are in some kind of a difficult circumstance today. Maybe you love this person, you want to be with them. So it may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy, guys. Maybe you love them, you want to be with them, but this person has someone giving them ideas how to handle this relationship. Maybe they do not like you. That may be the reason for these cards. And maybe it may be your energy, guys. Maybe you have to achieve certain things before you move positively towards this relationship. So maybe you have goals or dreams in your career before taking the next step. So it may be your energy or this person's energy. So that may be the reason they are avoiding you, guys. So this person is avoiding you because they have their dreams and goals before them and they want to achieve those dreams before coming deeply committed to you, being really responsible in this connection. So their focus is on their ambitions and goals. But apart from that, I see that you both share mutual love, respect and caring. Maybe they just don't want to commit maybe marriage or engagement, but they love you. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Gemini. So for your relationship, guys, we have House. So looks like you want a deep meaningful connection with this person and you are working towards that. That may be the reason you want to set things right first in your career. So you don't want any difficulties when you commit, when you start a family or when you get married to this person. That may be the reason you want things to settle down in your career first, guys. So it may be your energy or this person's energy towards this relationship, Gemini. So for your career situation, guys, we have ring. So looks like there are some opportunities coming towards you even in your career situation, guys. So some new projects or assignments, something positive coming your way, and that is giving you more responsibilities on your shoulders. So, and you are someone who works with dedication. That may be the reason we see positive set of cards here, Gemini, for y'all. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Gemini, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. If this reading resonates and if you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Aura Light. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that being really mindful of your present situation. So, are you really aware of what is going on in your present situation? Are you being truly attentive to its qualities and patterns? So, in your relationship, you need to observe and find out what is working so you can build this relationship on that, or what is not working so you can address that, make some changes to that. So being present in your relationship, being truly aware and paying attention, observing without judgment, and just watching what is happening instead of spinning a story of what should have been or what it ought to be. So instead of saying something after that, you should be present, be aware, keep your eyes open, and that way you will be able to deepen your love and make this connection a better one. So your ability to be present, that is what is going to help you, and you have many distractions. That may be the reason we have this card, guys. So something is distracting away, taking your attention away from this relationship. But if you are attentive today, you will make this relationship a positive, meaningful relationship. That is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is a reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Fork in the Road. So with this card, it just means that you are making some important decisions today. So whether you are going right or left in this relationship, and deciding on a particular choice, and be prepared for all that consequences you face with that choice today, guys. So in your relationship, you have reached a moment of truth. So will you move towards a possibility of a deeper love, maybe with open communication, with truth and honesty and trust involved? going deeper with that other person, or just walk away. So, this is the time to take responsibility for your truest desires of your heart, what you honestly feel within yourself about your love, and what you are willing to do for this connection, guys. So, there is no wrong choice here, guys. It is just the way you are moving based on the truth of your heart. So if you want this love, you are going to deepen this love. But if it is something other than love, you are going towards that. So all roads will lead to the lessons you need to learn in this relationship, guys. So regardless of the decision you are making, it will place you on the path that will give you the truest experience of your heart. So if you like this person, you are going to deepen this love. If not, you are going to move away. But your choice is nothing wrong, but the choices based on truth of your heart, that is going to make the difference here, guys. So for those who chose this card, you should make true choices. That is what this card is about, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.